Hi there, I'm Rich and welcome to Ram's Little Workshop. What is Ram's Little Workshop, you might ask? Well, it's my workshop. It's a place I come at the end of the day to de-stress, making sawdust, as my dad used to say. I build things, I fix things. More than anything, it's a place to be creative and to experiment. Now, I've been a woodworker and a do-it-yourselfer all my life, ever since I was a teenager, tinkering with things, building things, even in my work. For years, I was an engineer, building things and designing things. Now, I do it for my home and for my family, for my kids, my grandkids. You know, the interesting thing about woodworking is that it's always been something passed on from one generation to the next, often from father to son. That's how I got my start. My dad was a great woodworker, and he'd go out to his workshop, which was literally just a corner of our garage, and make sawdust. That's what he'd say every time we asked him, "What are you making?" "I'm making sawdust." Well, I've learned how to make sawdust too, and I've made a lot of it. And in here in my workshop, I make sawdust and a lot of other things too. And along the way, I've learned a lot. Yeah, I learned a lot from my dad, but I've learned from others as well. And so what this is this is my opportunity to pass on what I've learned to you, other people, anyone that might want to know. Am I the greatest woodworker that ever lived? No, I won't make that claim. I'm just an average guy that enjoys working with good wood and enjoys the beauty of that wood. And here I try and bring out that beauty and make things that my friends and family can use, my wife can use, and that I can pass on as an inheritance to my children and my children's children. So I hope you'll come along with me on this journey and see what we can make. Be part of Ram's Little Workshop. See you soon.